had to think about what you were saying last week and have said before on coming up with topics.
Oh,
And
okay. Yep.
yeah, and seeing so I'm doing a talk on Dostadning, the Swedish death cleanse in August. I thought we might talk about some of that stuff a little bit today so I can chuck together some quick
Oh, that's a good
videos.
idea. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
So,
Seeing as I
yeah.
know nothing about it, you'll just be able to treat me as your
Well,
audience.
I guess you you don't realise it, but you know a lot about Dostadning
Oh,
because
okay.
it's called the death cleanse,
Yep.
and what you do is you accumulate until the age of 40, and after the age of 40 you start casting things off. So that's their culture, so that you don't leave a heap of crap for the young people and they don't want it, like
Mm,
inheriting entire brass collections or entire
mm.
crystal collections in my mother's case. So, or
It's a
the
matter of
china.
just, yeah, I was going to say, it's a matter of just having conversations, isn't it? When
Mm,
you catch up with people to find out whether there is anything that's meaningful that they
mm,
do want. Yeah.
yes, yeah.
Because, like, I think about my mum, and there's just one or two things probably that just remind me of good times,
Mm,
or remind me of mum for whatever
yes,
reason,
yeah,
it's just like, but most of the stuff hasn't got memories for me. They'd be memories for
yeah,
her. Yeah.
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad I got some of mum's crystal because I do actually
Mm,
sometimes have flowers. So I kept a
mm,
couple of vases, but they had so much, and they had a brass collection and so many
mm,
things. And you just, especially now that I'm downsizing, you just don't have the
mm.
room for it. But also, it takes care. I remember we
Well, it
had,
does, doesn't it? You're right.
mm, and that's the biggest thing. People don't realise that all these possessions are actually a burden when you get older and you have to look after it all the time, and then it just degrades. So, yeah. So I think
Especially,
that the,
the silver plated stuff.
yep,
Like if you don't keep on top of it, it just, well, it doesn't look nice anymore. It gets that browny, whatever the color is,
yeah, tarnished. Yeah.
tarnish look. Yeah.
Yeah. And so many in our culture, so many people had the good stuff. So you had the good dinner set and the good silverware set and everything else, but you never used it. So
Mm,
it's just literally just taking up space and collecting
mm,
dust.
mm,
So, yeah. And moving into
mm,
smaller quarters. And, especially for women these days, some have to move frequently if they're renting and stuff like that. So much
mm.
more to move. So, and you have
Well, exactly.
downsized. Yeah.
But I'm still astonished at how much I've got. Though sometimes it's because it's not put in appropriate spaces. I don't know how
Hmm.
to say it, but containers or that, because I was looking at some stuff recently and I thought, oh, actually, there's not that much there. So when I folded it and whatnot, and it fits in properly now,
Yes.
it doesn't look so much stuff. It's like, oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's a manageable amount. So
Yeah.
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 So often it's how we contain our stuff can make a big difference.
Yeah. It can. Yes.